Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sell art on Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Etsy.com. Make sure you do have your account. Go ahead and log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now you can see the Shop Manager. Go ahead and tap on Shop Manager. Then what you need to do is go to Shop Preferences and set your shop language, choose your shop country and choose your currency and click Save and Continue. Then what you need to do is write down the name of your shop. And then go ahead and click on Save Continue once again. So you can see no space should be added. Just go ahead and remove the space and click on this. So you can see that this art shop is already been taken. So go ahead and choose any of this and click on Save and Continue once again. Now, what you need to do is list your products. So as we are going to sell our art, we'll just go ahead and click on this pen icon. You can go down and you can write art stuff or something like this, which describes the title. So you can see some of the artworks which you can add over here. You should just go ahead and click on add, which is over here. And you can see some of the art which I have done. Go ahead and click on open. And as soon as you do this, you can see that you can add some photos. You can add up to 10 photos and 1 video. So you can see that this photo has been chosen as primary one. You can also choose another photo as primary. You should just go ahead and drag and drop it and the photo will be as a primary. So you can also adjust the thumbnail. You can drag and drop it. You can see that you can use it and you can see the price over here. I'm going to teach it to you how you can change the price. For now, you can see the digital file over here. Let's go ahead and remove the digital file from here and add our digital file, which is our art. As we're selling our art, this is really necessary and it is quite important to write the description as well. So you can go ahead and write the description of the art you're selling. So I have done the art of women. I'm just going to go ahead and add a description like a bunch of art dedicated to the beautiful women of the world. So I'm going to write something like this. You can see the personalization option over here. You can use this if you want. It will be used to collect personal information for this listing. If you scroll down, you can see the price range over here. The estimated profit will be shown over here. The number of quantity available can be written over here. And the SKU, which is the product number, can also be written. So after you do this, if you scroll a bit down, there are tags and attributes. You can just go ahead and add the attribute you want. So I'm doing an art one. So if you don't find this art, you can add the tags like designs or something like this. So let's go ahead and search for it. If you don't find it, just go ahead and do this. And you can see the material type, primary color, secondary color. You can write all of this as well. Go ahead and tap on Save and Continue. The next thing Etsy will ask you is how you want to get paid. You can go ahead and click on do this later and it will lead you to how you will get paid. Now you can write down your information just like your Etsy account of your bank. So you can go ahead and write down your bank account, your tax account number, country of residence, your name, taxpayer address. Scroll a bit down and you can connect with your bank as well. Go ahead and tap on Save and Continue. Then click on your sharing billing info, share your billing info and set up your shop security. And there you go. This is how easy it is to sell art on Etsy. I hope you do this and you can earn it from Etsy as well. So like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy. Do mention us on the comment section down below if you still have any confusion. See you later. Bye bye.